Hello guys, how you all doing? So I'm making a new video today. This is for unboxing a blue yeti. So I've already done this once before. So what's happened is, and just so you're aware, you're in blue yetis and stuff. So I've got this here has been where the USB thing goes. So it's been pulling, the cable's been pulling between the mic and the tower. So what's happened is it's got a wee bit bashed in here in the port. And the pins inside that have got a bit destroyed as well. So if you've got one of these mics, make sure you've got loads of cable supporting it, because if you've not, then it's going to pull it back and you're going to end up with a destroyed mic. So that's what happened to mine, and it no longer works. So I've got a new one. So they come in these boxes. I've done one of these before, I'm sure you've already seen. So that's upside down. So that's the box it comes in. Then it's got another box inside that box, and if you open the security tag, I didn't want to do that in video, it takes too long. Then this is what you have inside. So none of this has been opened yet. So you start on the top, and we'll just put it in. So on the top bit you've got your cable, some instruction books, and then inside there you've got your mic, which it's pretty heavy, so be careful with it if you've got it. So we'll just unhinge him, and there it is. So as you can see, this one's got a much better port on it. You can see there the difference. So there we have it. That is my new mic. So we'll set it up and I'll let you see it working. So as I said to you already, the problem with my last one was the port. So in my new one I'm got to be really careful, and I'm just got to put the microphone in to its fitting there. And we'll just plug it in the front of the computer now, just for a demo. So give me 2 seconds till I just plug it into my tower. So that's me plugged into my tower. The power light there's came on, so what I'm going to do is just, I'm going to use it this way, make sure I don't pull the cable, and I'm just going to pick the mic up to there, and that's it, set up. So you've got controls on it which are like gain and what position you want your mic to be in to speak into and stuff. So my mic's obviously not set up right now, but I'm just got to do it. So on my computer here, I'm going to go into the volume panel, and you can see there that my Blue Yeti's already on there. So it's called 2 because I've already had one. So there we go. So that's set up. And as you can hear, I'm speaking into it now, so it's kind of like it's working now. So that's it set up, it's ready for use. As I say, you've got controls there, you can use your gain and stuff like that with which will alter what the mic is actually doing when it's turned on. So there's different settings to play about with as well, so you can have fun with it. It is a brilliant mic, it's really good. I'm glad I've got my new one now. So that's me all done. I've got my Blue Yeti, I'm ready to go. There's also other videos on my channel if you want to watch them as well. So we've got some videos for the Stream Deck unboxing, the Logitech steering wheel, the G920 is the one I've got. We've got MSI clutch mouses and keyboards and mouse pads, Steel Series headsets, the Acer Predator 3000 tower, and the monitors, MSI as well. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time, guys.